and fault signal.
So you have the level.
Potential high flow.
Relief wall is already there. And relief wall is already there. Levels is there.
Potential high flow.
You have the measuring, chlorine measurement.
You have chlorine measurement?
Yeah. In the chlorine contact.
So write PRP.
That is interlock, right?
Please.
Yeah, this pump is will be interlocked with
PRP.
chlorine. Shows? Huh? I think so.
Measurement.
Because then it is no use for VFD then if it is not interlocked with chlorine.
Local PI. So can you tell me, I mean, which sensor you are going to use if high chlorine dosing is there?
Cl2. They show me
where it is.
In drawing number 12.
Drawing number 12, huh?
Yeah, it is there A81202A.
कहाँ पर है? अच्छा इसमें हाँ.
And it is interlocked.
अच्छा right, this one correct. I agree. चलो.
Alarm also.
Yeah, alarm is also there. Online analyzer. That's okay. That means to measure that we have got good safeguard.
Yeah, it is for disinfection. Yeah, it is modulating. It is written as it is modulating chlorine dosing via PLC PID. Which pumps you are taking now for this one disinfection? Disinfection, yeah. Then after that pumping. Or after pumping. Yeah, pump. So that is a separate pump, no? Yeah.
But we have to record here.
Yeah. Just how they are controlling this, I will check.
So ये जो CCT है, ये permeate वाला है ना?
हाँ,
CCT.
CCT. Permeate is different. This CCT. This pump is for permeate. This pump. This one. This one is for CCT.
अच्छा.
No, CCT कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, सही correct.
Tagging and all this need to be corrected. Huh?
Yeah, correct.
Otherwise you take the tagging of permeate and.
No, CCT.
The last one.
Yeah, this is for CCT. Now we have to include that also for permeate. Room calibration of permeate pump. So high flow.